Let's create a project from scratch and set it up properly. Click New Project on the home page. Voice creates a blank project with one empty script and takes you straight to the editor. You can also create projects from the Projects page using the New Project button in the top right. The project name defaults to New Project. Double-click it to rename. I'll call this My First Podcast. Press Enter to save. This name is just for your organization. It doesn't appear in the exported audio. Each project contains scripts. Think of these as individual episodes, chapters, or scenes, depending on your use case. Click the script name to rename it. I'll call this Episode 1, Introduction. Now write your script. Type / to open the command menu, then select Speaker and type a name. Voice inserts a colored pill for each speaker so you can visually track who's talking. You can see the speakers panel on the left updating as you add new speakers. When you reuse a speaker, just pick them from the list. No need to type the name again. Projects can hold multiple scripts. Click the plus button in the scripts panel to add another. This is useful for podcast episodes, audiobook chapters, game dialogue scenes. Really, any content that belongs together but needs separate organization. You can drag scripts to reorder them. Useful when your chapter order changes. Right-click any script for options. Rename, schedule for your content calendar, or delete. Back on the Projects page, you can see all your work. The three-dot menu gives you options to rename, duplicate, or delete a project. Duplicate is handy when you want to create a variation without starting over. The free tier lets you create one project with unlimited scripts. Subscribers get unlimited projects. You can see your usage right here on the Projects page. Your project is set up. Next, we'll look at writing dialogue scripts with speaker tags and formatting.